Hello everyone. So in today's video I will tell you guys about the CTET. Do watch the full video for some important points and questions. Also subscribe the channel and like the video for more. So firstly let's start with what is CTET. CTET is a national level exam. CBSE की तरफ से कंडक्ट किया जाता है, सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन। तो CTET जो है वो साल में 2 बार होता है टू डिटरमाइन द एलिजिबिलिटी ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ टीचर्स फॉर क्लास 1 to 8। CTET एग्ज़ाम 2 सेशंस में होता है, पेपर 1 और पेपर 2। द CTET पेपर 1 इज़ फॉर कैंडिडेट्स हु वांट टू टीच क्लास 1 to 5 एंड पेपर 2 इज़ फॉर कैंडिडेट्स हु वांट टू टीच क्लास 6 to 8। और जो क्लासेस 1 to 8 को पढ़ाना चाहते हैं उन्हें दोनों पेपर्स देने होंगे। CTET 2021 नोटिफिकेशन एंड एग्ज़ाम डेट्स विल बी अनाउंस्ड सून बाय द CBSE एंड यू कैन चेक द वेबसाइट ctet.nic.in। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट CTET एलिजिबिलिटी। तो जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं उन्हें +2 पास की होनी चाहिए 45% मार्क्स, ताकि वो क्वालिफाई कर पाएँ प्राइमरी स्टेज टीचर के लिए। नेक्स्ट, जो कैंडिडेट शुड क्लियर ग्रेजुएशन विद मिनिमम 45% मार्क्स और +2 विद एटलीस्ट 50% मार्क्स इन ऑर्डर टू बी क्वालिफाइड फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट एज एन एलिमेंट्री स्टेज टीचर। Candidates should complete the prescribed teacher training programs or teacher education courses. तो जनरल कैटेगरी needs 60% 90 out of 150 marks and SC ST OBC category needs 55% 82 out of 150 marks. Both paper 1 and paper 2 is in a form of MCQ multiple choice questions. So here are some CTET important questions 2021. ये सिर्फ ओवरव्यू है कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन CTET 2021 में पूछे जा सकते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ टीचर इन अ क्लासरूम विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। सो द आंसर इज अ लीडर। नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट शुड पेरेंट्स डू फॉर द हार्मोनियस डेवलपमेंट ऑफ देयर चाइल्ड पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट। सो द आंसर इज द पेरेंट शुड प्रोवाइड अ कंडक्टिव एनवायरनमेंट फॉर द चाइल्ड एट होम। So the next question is what attitude should a teacher possesses for students who are weak in studies? So the answer is a teacher should possess a sympathetic attitude for students who are weak in studies. Next, what is the main objective of teaching? So the answer is to develop the thinking abilities of the students. Next, what are the crucial characteristics of a teacher? Answer, having sympathy for students. Next, how can you reduce the amount of absentees in the class? Answer is by teaching regularly and effectively. Next, what does the achievement of a student depend on? Answer, the learning and the teaching process of the classroom. How do you address a new millennial teacher? Answer, as a learning facilitator. Next, what personality should a good teacher possess? Answer, knowing the problems faced by the students and having the power to help them. So the last question is, how should a teacher treat an aggressive student in the classroom? Answer, to give him proper advice and guide him. So if you want more questions and want me to solve previous year question papers, you can comment below. Now let's talk about the exam pattern of CTET paper 1. तो जो एग्ज़ाम है वो पेन एंड पेपर मोड में होता है। उसकी टोटल ड्यूरेशन 150 मिनट्स की होती है। There will be 5 sections in each paper consisting of 30 questions each. There will be no negative marking in CTET exam. The candidates who want to become a teacher for class 1 to 5 will have to appear for CTET paper 1. So the paper pattern for CTET paper 1 is divided into 5 sections. Section A contains child development and pedagogy. Section B contains mathematics. Section C contains language 1. It can be English or Hindi. Section D is language 2, which is optional, and section E is environmental studies. And the duration of paper is 150 minutes. There will be 150 questions, 30 each section, and 1 mark each question. Now let's talk about CTET paper 2 exam pattern. The candidates who want to become a teacher for class 5 to 8 will have to appear for CTET paper 2. The paper pattern for CTET paper 2 is divided into 4 sections. Section A is child development and pedagogy. Section B is language 1. Section C is language 2. And the section D is of science and mathematics for mathematics and science teachers, or social science for social science teacher. Duration of this paper is 150 minutes. Section A, B and C contains 30 questions, each question 1 mark. And section D contains 60 questions, mathematics and science 30-30 each. Social science has 60 questions, 1 mark each. There will be no negative marking. Now let's see some section-wise seated important topics. So firstly, section A is child development and pedagogy. It contains child development and its relation to learning, influence of heredity and environment, questions related to Education Act, socialization processes, assessment and evaluation, individual differences, specially abled learners, concept of inclusive education, questions related to theories, motivation and learning, cognition and emotions, processes of teaching and learning, pedagogy issues, and practical questions. Now let's see section B, which is language. It can be Hindi or English. It contains reading comprehension and poems and pedagogy questions. There will be 15 questions of reading comprehension and poems and 15 questions of pedagogy. The next is science. It contains the world of living, pedagogical issues related questions, food, materials, natural phenomena, moving things, people and ideas, natural resources. Now next section is mathematics. It is for paper 1. It contains mathematics pedagogy, geometry, numbers, algebra, time, measurement and weight, volume, data handling and patterns. Now mathematics for paper 2 contains mathematics pedagogy, number system, algebra, geometry, data analysis, mensuration and arithmetic. Now next section is environmental studies. It contains pedagogy of environmental studies, about flora and fauna, family and friend, water, food and nutrition, travel, settlers, things we make and do. Next section is social science and social studies. It contains pedagogical issues related to social science, geography, history, social and political life. So these are the topics that each section of syllabus contains. I will continue with the syllabus in the next video, and topics will be taken one by one with brief summary. Hope you like the video. So do give it a thumbs up, and if you feel this video informative, share with your friends and family, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.